Hi, you've probably heard the rumors. Blogging is dead. With AI tools cranking out articles faster than I can finish my morning coffee, it's easy to believe that the golden age of blogging is over. But is that really true? Let's get real for a second. AI is everywhere. It's writing poems, composing emails, even creating blog posts in seconds. It's impressive, sure. But does that mean blogging, especially for businesses, is yesterday's news? Actually, not at all. In fact, I think blogging's never been more important. Let me explain why. First, let's talk about Google. You've seen those AI overviews popping up at the top of your search results, right? They're fast, they're helpful, but here's the twist. Even those AI summaries need real human-written content to pull from. If you want your business to show up in those search results, whether it's AI-generated or not, you need quality blog posts answering real questions your customers actually care about. Now, think about your own behavior online. A product page alone isn't enough to win my trust. I want to read stories, see expertise, and feel that human connection. That's what a good blog delivers. It's not just about SEO. It's about building trust and showing you know your stuff. And here's something a lot of businesses miss. Your blog is the perfect place to share your brand values. Whether you're passionate about sustainability, supporting local communities, or just want to show what makes your business different, your blog gives you space to dive deeper without turning your homepage into a cluttered mess. A well-written blog draws people in and keeps them coming back. Offering a free resource or a newsletter sign-up, it's a no-brainer. And when you pair your blog with email marketing or even automation tools, you're nurturing relationships that can turn readers into loyal customers. One more thing, don't stress about coming up with new ideas every week. Repurpose your blog posts. Turn them into videos, social media posts, podcasts, you name it. So, is blogging dead? Not even close. Sure, AI can help you brainstorm or speed up the writing process, but your unique voice, your expertise, and your values are what make your blog stand out. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement. Keep blogging, keep sharing, and keep building those connections. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.